1998 Sport Nautique, sitting in a neutral Holland deck, hunter green main stripe with a Zephyr accent above. Really nice boat, has a teak platform, has some newer interior, which we'll see when we hop in. Sits with 840 some odd hours on that GT40 engine, runs awesome. Also has perfect pass, which is really nice. Ski pylon in the center, you got some docking cleats, open bow, it's 21 foot 2 inches long. Nice little surprise, it does have the factory jump seat with it, which is pretty rare. Newer graphics and pinstriping on this. Pinstripe in gold, which is kind of tough to see from here, but overall a really nice little Sport Nautique that is gone through, nicely equipped, and ready to hit the water. Let's jump inside. All right, on the interior of the 98 Sport Nautique, we have a Zephyr seat bases. This one slid out a little bit. Zephyr seat bases. These three here and the seat base on the jump seat have been replaced at some point in the not so distant past. We do have the sun pad back here, teak platform. The sun pad's actually in pretty good shape. You're not going to see a ton of splits or cracks in this, thankfully, which is great, but you will see some across the seat back. A couple cuts where that substrate kind of pokes through if you step on it or drop something on it. But this vinyl is getting a little bit harder, so you're seeing some cracks on it. To unlock that, you can open up some nice storage space back here. We have a full cover that's in good shape, green to match. Storage net underneath. Seat bases, all in good shape. Again, replaced not too long ago. You will see splits in a couple different spots on these combing pads, mainly towards the top. Does have a jump seat. This has some newer speakers in it, as well as a Bluetooth JVC head unit. Engine cover, great condition. There's a small cut here, another here. And lastly, one down here. Let's open up and take a peek at the motor. This is a GT40. Freshly serviced, tuned up, has 843 hours on it, and it's running awesome. I just took it down the river. It does have perfect pass set up on it as well, which is awesome. That works really well. And it's just a quiet, smooth motor with plenty of power for a boat of this size and weight. And yeah, they're about as bulletproof as they get. So this thing is awesome and ready to go. Close that up. These latches here. Ski pylon. Again, seat base here has been replaced, so that's looking really good. You can open up the love seat, and there's some storage space here that kind of goes up underneath the seats in the bow. And while this is up, you can also open the ski locker, which has the nice liner in there. Driver's seat's in good shape. I have those burgundy accent stripes on there as well. I forgot to mention that. Sitting down at the dash here. Let me fire up the boat. Turns over nicely. Oil pressure, engine temp coming up. Speedometer, as well as your perfect pass gauge, fuel level, voltage, depth finder, all that is working. TAC is working with your hour meter there, 843.7. The only thing I'm going to say probably doesn't work are these ballast level indicators. They might. I haven't tested them yet, but it's pretty rare that they do. So I'm just going to say that they don't. You got your stereo over here as well. I don't know what this little microphone does. Probably nothing. Maybe for if you take a phone call, actually. But no idea if that works. Nice loud horn. Blower, bilge pump, ignition switch, all that's here. And we do have a mirror up top. Glove box, just deep storage down in there with a drain. Windshield does have some paint chipping off of it, but nothing crazy. Kind of standard operating procedure on a boat of this age. Now, we get up into the bow, kind of this playpen seating. There is some splits primarily between the seats, but you have them there. And as we look in between this crack up here, you'll see some more. But from the surface, not bad. Really just those lower edges that you're gonna notice. Open seating, cup holders. It still has snaps for a bow cover, I believe. If I remember correctly, this is an all-in-one piece cover that goes over the whole thing. But no separate snapping bow cover. If you really wanted one, you could have one made. Nice boat. Cool that it has the jump seat. Gets you a little bit more seating in here. Sport Nautiques are awesome. They do a little bit of everything really well. We're gonna step out and get some running footage.
Preston in the 1998 Sport Nautique. Beautiful January day. If you have any questions about this 98 Sport Nautique, give us a call at N3 Boatworks, 317-845-9253.